Alright, so we're paging through our ROM with the appropriate table file loaded, at least appropriate for this particular bit of text that we found. And we're looking to see if there's any other text in here that's encoded using this text encoding, aside from that one block of text that we've already located. And I'm just looking for text that looks like Japanese to me. I would assume that, you know, it would probably also have those break characters in it, but it may not. So we're just gonna keep on trucking. It just takes a few minutes. You gotta have a little patience, but it's not too hard. Okay, so okay, so I see some text here that looks like understandable Japanese. You know, and sometimes it can be hard to tell at a glance, but you know, I see some things like warp. It says ice, form, and then that's actually those are probably spells from the. So, whoops. Oh, it finished saving my thing here. I don't care. Go away. There we go. So, yeah. So let's try to figure out where this text starts. So we're going to come up here. Seiko. That is Japanese. Totemo. That is Japanese. There's a lot of numbers in here, but that's probably just some control codes is what they're called. Okay, and then this is all gibberish. So it looks like our text starts right around here. So this is going to be Mo Shinjao. So this looks like stuff that's going to show up in like the battle text or the menus and that kind of thing. Maybe probably the battle text. The character gives you feedback as to like when they're getting damaged and things like that. So this looks like some of that text. So what we might want to do is actually play through the game a little bit more, try to find some of this battle text. We're going to make note of where it's, you know, this text first starts. This is going to be 14902. So I'm just going to copy this. 14902. Alright. So let's bring up the game. And we'll just keep going a bit. Press start. We're gonna start the game. This is cute. Kaeru ya. So let's get through the opening. Okay, so here's some of the in-game text. Alright, so she says Tobida ni message. Tobida ni message. So let's go ahead and do a search on this. And what we're going to do, let's try, because we know how, actually I don't think I made particular note of how these are stored, but you can see here that the diacritical mark is coming after the unvoiced character. This becomes G, Shinjao. So let's go ahead, why don't we search for that. So the diacritical mark in this case is going to be this character. That's how we put it in the table file. To bi ra ni. Okay. So let's do a search for this. I already made note of where the start of that is. Let's kind of search. Like I said, I think this will be based now on the table file, and we get to bi.ni. All right. So this is the actual text we're looking at. I'm fairly certain anyway. Could be another instance of it in the game, but we got to bi.ni. This character is C3, and then we get some spaces, and you can see the spaces. So this C3 is like another break in this case. In this other area, this other text display. All right, so you know, it's not sharing any of the values with this other stuff. So we'll go ahead and put it in here. C3 is an actual break character in this case. A text break. So we've got the text break. Actually, let's open that. Are we using this one? Yes. So Tobira ni break message, and then we have C4FF, and then we start on something else. So what I assume is the C4 and this FF are gonna basically be this wait, and they're gonna take us to this next bit of text. No, actually, well, it's some different text. So, but that it could vary. So C4FF. Let's see what else we have here. C4FF. This is C4FFC1. C4CDFF. That's interesting. So it seems like the C4 is probably indicating kind of the end of a bit of text, and then it moves on to like the next thing. So for now, and that actually fits in with the C3 being a break, representing a break. A lot of times you have something representing a break followed right after by something representing like the end of a little bit of text. So we're going to put in end, and we're going to save it. So we're open the table file. Okay, so those are our breaks, those are our ends. So we should actually also be able to see this other text in here. So this is Mamono. So let's search for that. So let's see, we get Mamono to, so that's not the one. It's F3 to search again. It is. Do I have my function key on? No, I don't. Mamono wa, no. Mamono wa, no. Mamono no. Mamono wa, well, there are lots of Mamonos. Mamono Jankai. Mamono wa, Mamono wo, Mamono wa. Alright, so that's sort of annoying, but let's see. I'll just keep doing this for just 1 sec, because I think we're going to be able to find this. Are we looping? No, here we are. This is it. Alright, so I could have put the, I should have put the opening like bracket in there. So we've got Mamono, this is our break, John Kai break, Chu, and then our ending character and another control code. And then the next thing is Tobira. Okay, so that doesn't, in fact, actually, it's Tobira niwa. Oh no, that's not the same one. Yeah, so anyway, we found those 2 bits of text, and I think we can see from here, like these little bits of control code in here are pretty inconsequential to our dump. I think we've basically found how it deals with this kind of text, and it's the same kind of text encoding. It just has you know, these break and ending characters that it deals with a little bit differently than it does that inline text that we had before. So this is great. We've got another block of text here. We've already made note of where it starts, so let's make note of where it ends, and we're just going to keep going. Okay, so this is an ending. Come on. 1ACE8. Oops. 1ACE8. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Now I happen to know that there's some more right here. Now is this... Oh, this is actually what we've already found. This is the ones that start at 1AF02. Oh, no. Well, give me 1 sec here.